Welcome. If you've ever wanted to showcase your family connections on Facebook and specifically add your grandfather to your family members list, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to add your grandfather to your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Facebook. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your profile page. Here, you'll notice several tabs under your cover photo. Find and click on the tab labeled About. This section is where all your personal information is stored and managed. On the left side of the About page, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and click on Family and Relationships. This is where you can view and edit your family connections. Now, look for the option that says Add Family Member. Click on it, and a new window will pop up. In the search bar, start typing your grandfather's name. Make sure you select the correct profile from the list that appears. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Relationship. Click on it and scroll until you find Grandfather. Select it to specify the relationship. Once you've chosen Grandfather, double-check that everything looks correct. If you're happy with your selection, simply click Save to confirm the changes. And that's it. Your grandfather will now appear in your family members list on your Facebook page, making it easy for friends and family to see your special connection. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.